Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Cloudflare Zero Trust for employee access, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Cloudflare account. Navigate to the Zero Trust dashboard from the Cloudflare homepage. Click on Settings in the left sidebar. Select Access from the drop-down menu. Click on Applications to begin configuring employee access. Select Add an application to create a new application entry. Choose the appropriate application type based on your organization's needs. Enter a name for your application in the designated field. Fill in the application domain or URL where employees will access the resource. Configure the routing by specifying either the hostname or path according to your network setup. Next, set up access policies for the application. Click on Add a policy to create a new access policy. Define the type of users allowed access, such as specific groups or roles. Specify the authentication method required for access, such as single sign-on. You can also set additional conditions for user access based on location or device type. After defining your policies, save the changes. Return to the Applications page and verify that your application appears in the list. Now, click on Dashboard to monitor application access and user activity. For additional security, enable logging to track access events. Review and test the configuration by accessing the application as a user. Make adjustments to the policies as necessary based on user feedback. Regularly monitor the Zero Trust dashboard for any security alerts or access issues. Finally, keep the configuration updated as your organization's needs evolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.